Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 100 of Surah Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن تطيعوا فريقا من الذين أوتوا الكتاب يردوكم بعد إيمانكم كافرين. Yeah, will be 4 counts long, and the sound should be very soft. You're lifting your tongue up to the palate, but you're not touching it, so the sound should be very soft. Yeah, ay, Hamza is very sharp, and yeah, and wow. Whenever these are with the tashdid, we'll get number, and here the number is working when you are attaching hamza with ya. This is the place where you will create number, and number is a jump of sound. You is ya is short, dhamma is short, and circle your lips very well. You ha is from lower part of your throat. Don't mix it with ha. This is ha. La is short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Hamza is sharp, and this is 2 counts long. Ma no 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp, and there is ikhfa. The sound is the ikhfa is light, so your tongue should be in a straight position. Listen how it should be. It should sound. Two is light and very sharp, and the sound is very short. Two, two heavy, and 2 counts long. Ru, 2 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. Fa, hums, and V is 2 counts long. Fari, qaf is heavy. Attached with meme, we'll get sifa of qunna. And this is akmal gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Fariqam mi. Kasra is very sharp and short. Nal. Noon is attached with lam. Lam will, the fatha is short. Dina. Na is short. Ooh, 2 counts long. The hamza is very sharp, and for the circle your lips. Tul. Tul, that will be not long anymore because this is attached with the coming up second letter. Tul, give the wasut on lam. Ki, for kasra, give e sound. The sound is light. Ta is very sharp. 2 counts long. Ba, short. Yeah. Um, the sound is short. Wood, ra is heavy. And when you will attach with dal, your lips should be in a straight position. Wood, and then give dhamma and circle your lips again. Wood, do. So here that atmamul harakat works. So be very careful when you will pronounce this. When you are attaching a ra with dal, your lips should be in a straight position, the dhamma position. When you will say dal, this your lips should be in a straight position. Rod, do is 2 counts long. Kum, and this is ikhfa shafawi. So hide it in your. The sound should be in your nose. Kum ba. Give the wasut on ain. Da short. E 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Ni short. Kum for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasut. Ka 2 counts long. Fi, fa will get hums, and for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Fi, reen 4 counts long, and with the wasut at the end when you will give sukoon on noon. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن تطيعوا إن تطيعوا فريقا من الذين أوتوا الكتاب يردوكم بعد إيمانكم كافرين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.